Hey everyone, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel of Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm Dr. Moharam Ghosh, and today I will share with you a beautiful story about the Parsi community and how it came to India. The Parsi community is a small community in India but very accomplished and known for its sense of business and philanthropy. It was in the 7th century. The Sassanian Empire was coming to an end, and the Arab marauders were finishing off many of the members of the Zoroastrian faith. These members, in small groups, fled to Iranian mountains, but they were not safe there either. They then stayed for a brief respite at a town called as Humraz, and from then the community leaders decided to go to India by ship. The ship was caught in a big storm, but their faith was strong and they prayed. They were washed up upon the shores of the state of Gujarat in India. The leader of the community, the Parsi priest or Dastur as he was called, decided to go to the king of Sanjan, Maharaja Jadav Rana, and asked an audience with him. The Maharaja Jadav Rana gave him an audience. The Dastur asked for a place to stay for his people and his community. The Maharaja took a vessel of water and filled it up to the brim and also added some milk to it and gave this vessel to the Parsi priest, indicating that the state was full and there was no place in the state for any additional members. The Parsi priest took some sugar and added to the vessel filled up to the brim and sent it back to the Maharaja. The water had become sweet, thereby indicating that we will add sweetness to your life. The Maharaja Jadav Raja was very impressed by this and gave them permission to stay in Gujarat. That's how the Parsis came to live in Gujarat in India, and like pointed out rightly by the leader of the Parsi priest, they have added sweetness and diversity to our culture in India. They have become big philanthropists, helped save lives, and have grown their business and are among the top business community in India today. They have made a difference to India. We need to always remember to be compassionate, and India has demonstrated this multiple times. If you liked my story, please subscribe to my channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant on YouTube, and I'll catch up with you again shortly with another beautiful story. Till then, stay safe, good luck, and thank you for listening to my story.